The human body is a marvel of complexity, a finely tuned machine built for survival. But what happens when we stop feeding it for extended periods? What occurs when we push the boundaries of hunger and let our bodies experience the profound changes that come with fasting? Imagine this. You've gone 24 hours without food. Your stomach growls, your mind drifts between energy and fatigue, and your thoughts flicker like a candle in the wind. But your body, your remarkable body, is doing something extraordinary. It's not simply enduring, it's transforming. And this transformation isn't temporary. It's a deep, evolutionary response that dates back to the origins of humanity. So what exactly happens inside your body after 24, 48, and 72 hours of fasting? After you eat your last meal and begin fasting, the body starts to utilize the last bits of fuel from that meal. Initially, your body runs on glucose, simple sugars derived from carbohydrates. However, within the first few hours of fasting, your blood sugar levels begin to drop. As this happens, your insulin levels, which had spiked in response to food intake, start to fall. Insulin's primary job is to shuttle glucose into cells, helping your body store energy. But when you're not eating, insulin's role shifts dramatically. With insulin levels low, the body begins to tap into its fat stores for energy, a process known as lipolysis. This is when fat cells release stored fatty acids and glycerol, providing your body with a new source of energy. At this stage, you might start to feel a little lethargic. Your body is adjusting from burning glucose to burning fat, and this transition can take time. The liver, your body's metabolic powerhouse, begins converting fatty acids into ketones, which serve as a more stable energy source for your brain and muscles. The switch from glucose to ketones is often referred to as entering ketosis, and it marks a profound shift in your metabolism. But that's not all. As your body moves into this fat-burning mode, something remarkable happens on the cellular level. This is where the process of autophagy begins. Autophagy is a natural, evolutionary response designed to clear out damaged cells and recycle their components. In essence, it's your body's way of performing a deep internal cleanse. Old, malfunctioning cells are broken down and repurposed, providing your body with the building blocks it needs for regeneration. This process isn't just a survival mechanism, it's an adaptive strategy that supports longevity. Autophagy has been linked to the reduction of various age-related diseases, such as Alzheimer's and cancer. It is the first taste of what fasting offers, not just weight loss, but a path to enhanced cellular health and vitality. By the end of the first 24 hours, your body has begun this incredible transformation. Fat burning has started, insulin levels have dropped significantly, and your cells have entered the cleanup phase. But this is just the beginning. When you hit the 48-hour mark of fasting, your body is now fully immersed in fat burning and metabolic adaptation. Insulin levels have continued to drop, allowing your body to stay in fat-burning mode. But something even more profound begins to take place. Your hormones start to balance and shift in ways that help promote muscle preservation and repair. Human growth hormone, HGH levels, for example, skyrocket. HGH plays a critical role in muscle preservation, fat burning, and tissue repair. During periods of fasting, the body increases its production of this vital hormone, making fasting an especially powerful tool for people looking to maintain or even build lean muscle mass. It's like your body is entering a mode of internal repair, optimizing its systems to ensure that even as fat is being burned, muscle remains intact. At this point, the process of autophagy has reached new heights. Your cells are deep in the act of repairing and rejuvenating, cleaning up any metabolic waste that's accumulated in the body. It's at this stage that many individuals report an increase in mental clarity and focus. This can be attributed to the ketones your brain is now relying on for fuel. Unlike glucose, which can cause fluctuations in energy and focus, ketones provide a stable, clean energy source for the brain, resulting in heightened cognitive performance. There's a fascinating evolutionary aspect to this. When our ancient ancestors had to fast, perhaps during times of food scarcity, it made sense that the body would prioritize not just survival, but mental alertness as well. A heightened state of awareness would have been crucial for finding food or avoiding danger. Your body, through hormonal shifts, is honoring that ancient survival mechanism, and it's not just the brain that benefits. Your body is also beginning the groundwork for repair and regeneration at the tissue level. With lower insulin and elevated HGH, the body can start focusing more on healing, reducing inflammation, and preventing the cellular damage that leads to chronic disease. By 48 hours, your body has activated a powerful regenerative state that primes it for health benefits far beyond what most people realize. If you're enjoying this journey of transformation, don't forget to like and subscribe. By doing so, you'll be joining a community of people dedicated to understanding their bodies and improving their health. Now let's dive deeper into what happens when fasting reaches its peak. The 72-hour mark. Now we arrive at the pinnacle of fasting. 72 hours. By this stage, your body has undergone a profound metamorphosis. Insulin levels are at their lowest, fat stores are being efficiently utilized, and cellular repair is operating at full throttle. But perhaps most impressive is the impact on your brain. At 72 hours of fasting, your body is in a state of metabolic flexibility. It can easily switch between burning fat and producing ketones. The brain, which was already benefiting from ketones as its fuel source, now enters a period of heightened cognitive function. This state of enhanced brain function is sometimes referred to as neuroprotection, and it's linked to increased production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, bdnf, a protein that supports brain health and the growth of new neurons. In essence, your brain becomes more resilient, more adaptive, and better equipped to handle stress. This may explain why many people experience a sense of mental clarity and even euphoria during extended fasts. It's not just that your brain is being fueled by ketones, but that it is actively repairing itself, becoming sharper, more focused, and more able to handle the demands of daily life. On the physical level, your body has reached its maximum fat-burning potential. The ketones are flowing freely, and fat is being mobilized from your adipose tissue to provide fuel for your organs, especially your brain. This can result in a significant reduction in body fat, a key benefit for those looking to improve their body composition. But the real beauty of fasting at this point lies in the cellular processes. Autophagy is now in full swing, not just clearing out damaged cells, but actively promoting the growth of new, healthy cells. The process of cellular regeneration is accelerated, which may help reduce the risk of certain diseases, such as heart disease, neurodegenerative conditions, and even cancer. What's particularly remarkable about this stage is that the benefits are not just physical. Fasting, especially extended fasting, has been shown to promote longevity. The cellular repair mechanisms that are activated during fasting help reverse the damage caused by oxidative stress, inflammation, and environmental toxins. These are the very factors that contribute to the aging process and the onset of chronic diseases. Your body's evolutionary programming is at work. When faced with a lack of food, it not only focuses on surviving, but also on optimizing itself for long-term health. The body's ability to repair and regenerate is a testament to its resilience, and fasting is a tool that allows you to harness that potential. At the end of a 72-hour fast, your body is in a state of profound transformation. You've burned fat, healed cells, optimized brain function, and triggered processes that support longevity. Your metabolic health has undergone a complete reset, and you're now operating from a place of efficiency and vitality. This is the power of fasting, an ancient survival mechanism that's embedded deep within our biology. The transformation that occurs during extended fasting isn't just about weight loss or discipline, it's about reconnecting with the evolutionary processes that allow us to thrive. It's about tapping into the deepest levels of our biology and giving our bodies the chance to repair, regenerate, and heal. If you're ready to take control of your own metabolic health and experience the profound benefits of fasting for yourself, it's time to make a change. Click the link in the description to download the ebook that will guide you through the science of fasting and how to implement it in your life. Don't wait, your health is in your hands, and the journey to transformation starts now. By understanding the science behind fasting, you're not just learning how to survive, you're learning how to thrive. Take control of your metabolic health today and unlock the power of fasting for yourself.